Oh, hello there. I was just using this field guide to read up on some interesting facts about a tree I saw today. You know, trees are pretty fascinating. They do so much for us. They come in all different shapes and sizes. In fact, they're so interesting that some of the neighborhood ladies think they found a champion tree.
You may be wondering what a champion tree is. Well, a champion tree is the largest tree of its species found in the state. To determine if a tree is the champion tree, a person must take 3 measurements: circumference, height, and crown spread. If these measurements add up and earn enough points, then your tree might be the champion tree. Now then, let's go find our friends and see what they are up to. There they are. Why, hello. Well, it looks like you found a healthy black walnut. Good. Let's begin. First, we're going to need the circumference. This is pretty easy to measure and is the only measurement that uses inches instead of feet. The measurement should be 4.5 feet above the ground. That's about the chest height for most. It looks to be 33 inches. Now it's time to measure the height. Today, we're going to use the triangle method. To do this, we will need 2 people and measuring tape. First, using your tape measurer, you need a base for your measurement. The perception of the tape needs to be the same height as the tree. You might have to back up a bit to achieve this. Once achieved, turn the tape 90 degrees, making sure the base of your tape stays on the base of the tree. Now, you remember that second person? She'll have to listen to the tape holder and stand exactly where she tells her to. Measure the distance from the tree to the person standing. This should give you a pretty good estimate of the height of the tree. Great job so far. We're almost finished. Now let's get the crown spread measurements. To properly measure the crown spread, we need to find the widest part of the tree from branch to branch. After measuring the length, we must turn a 90-degree angle and measure the length again. Doing swell. Good job. Now to get the crown spread, an average of the 2 measurements is needed. Almost 8 feet. Now it is time to calculate the results. In order to do this, they will need to plug in all the numbers and get a point value. Let's check the field guide and see if this tree measures up to the current champion. What's that? No, it doesn't? No worries, ladies. I'm sure if you keep looking and work hard, you will eventually find a tree that can be a champion tree. Maybe this bar graph showing what counties the current champion trees are located in will help you in your search.
Well, there you have it. Even though our friends didn't find a champion tree, they now know how the procedure is done. Hopefully, they will keep on searching for that one tree that will put them in the history books. Thanks for joining us today. Scotty, be real.